AI is one of the most powerful tools humanity has ever built. But with power comes responsibility. Ethics in AI isn't an afterthought, it's the foundation of whether this technology creates trust or chaos. We have seen AI move from labs to daily life, from voice assistants and recommendation engines to healthcare diagnostics and hiring tools. But here's the challenge: AI systems don't just make predictions, they make decisions that affect people's lives. Without ethical guardrails, the same AI that streamlines business could also spread bias, invade privacy, or reinforce inequality. That's why AI ethics matters more than ever. First, let's talk about fairness. AI systems learn from data, and data reflects human history, with all its flaws and biases. If unchecked, AI can replicate and even amplify those biases. For example, facial recognition systems have misidentified certain demographic groups at higher rates, and hiring algorithms have sometimes favored one gender over another. We have seen progress in bias detection tools that audit datasets and models, but the key is vigilance. Fairness isn't guaranteed, it must be tested and enforced. The second principle is transparency. AI often works like a black box, producing outputs without showing how it got there. That's dangerous when decisions involve loans, hiring, or medical treatment. Transparency means making models explainable, so that both experts and the public can understand how decisions are made. We have seen organizations adopt explainable AI frameworks, turning opaque outputs into insights people can trust. The third principle is accountability. If an AI system makes a harmful decision, who is responsible? The developer, the company, or the algorithm itself? Laws are still catching up, but businesses can't wait for regulations. They must establish clear accountability today. We have seen companies set up ethics boards, create internal review processes, and appoint chief AI ethics officers to ensure responsibility doesn't slip through the cracks. Ethical AI isn't just compliance, it's also a business advantage. Consumers are more likely to adopt AI-powered services when they feel their privacy, rights, and dignity are respected. For example, a bank that explains how its AI makes credit decisions will build more trust than one that hides behind algorithms. We have seen surveys where transparency directly increased customer loyalty. Ethics pays off. Finally, ignoring AI ethics isn't just risky for society, it's risky for business. Bias scandals, data misuse, or lack of accountability can damage reputations and trigger costly lawsuits. On the flip side, companies that build ethical AI earn long-term trust, stronger adoption, and more sustainable growth. So here's the lesson: ethical AI is not optional. It requires fairness and bias detection, transparency and explainability, accountability and responsibility, and trust building with consumers. The businesses that succeed in AI will be those that treat ethics as strategy, not as an afterthought. Keep learning, keep shining, and remember, ethical AI isn't just good practice. It's the foundation of trust in the future of technology.